How to fix iMessage activation error on iPhone. Let's start with checking network connection. Make sure you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. If this is not the issue, then try next. Check date and time and region. For this, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Again, scroll down and click on the Date and Time option. Make sure the Set Automatically option is turned on. Now go back to the previous page and click on Language and Region. Next, tap on Region and ensure that you have selected the correct region. Now check whether the iMessage is activated or not. If not, then try Turn off and on Wi-Fi. Swipe down to open the control center. Tap on the Wi-Fi icon to turn off. Wait for a few seconds and turn on again. Now, connect to a strong internet connection. After that, check iMessage is activated or not. If it is not activated, then try Next. Turn off and on airplane mode. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Now, tap on the airplane icon. Wait for 10 seconds and then turn off. Next, check whether the iMessage is activated or not. If not, then try Sign Out Apple ID. First, open the Settings app on your device and tap on Apple ID. Scroll down and click on Sign Out and enter your password. After some time, re-log in your account by entering the Apple ID and password. Now, check iMessage is activated or not. If not, then try Force Restart. Press and release the volume up button, and press and release the volume down button. Now, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Then release the side buttons and your phone will restart shortly. After restarting your device, check if the iMessage is activated or not. If not, then try Update iOS. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and click on General. Now look for the option Software Update and click on it. If any update is available, then Software. Make sure you have installed the latest iOS version on your device. After updating the software, try to download the voice message. If it is not downloading, then reset network settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down to find Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on it. Now, click on Reset, and then tap on Reset Network Settings from the pop-up. Next, enter the passcode and click on Reset Network Settings to confirm. This will remove all the saved Wi-Fi networks. Reconnect them again. Now go back to iMessage's settings, try to toggle on that. Once it is activated, click on the Send and Receive option. Then make sure your Apple account is signed in. This will fix the issue. Try sending a message in the app. Even if it is not working, then contact carrier support. Visit your carrier support store and fix the issue. If the carrier is not the issue, then contact Apple Store. After trying all the above steps and the issue is not fixed, then it might be the hardware issue. Visit the authorized Apple Store to fix the issue. And that's it.